If you're a student or the parent of a student at a college or university in West Virginia, and you or your child is charged with a code of conduct or disciplinary violation, you should not take the matter lightly. Do not make the mistake of believing what some schools describe to be as an educational opportunity. A code of conduct or disciplinary case can have serious potential consequences with respect to academic goals, including internships and graduate school, and professional goals, including employment opportunities. Regardless of when you first learn of the allegations, whether it's from the Office of Student Conduct or from a professor, an athletic coach, the campus police, respectfully declining to discuss the case until you can take the necessary precautions is critical. You must understand how your school will investigate and adjudicate the charges. To do so, you must familiarize yourself with the applicable policies and procedures. All schools will conduct an investigation, and regardless of whether your school will decide a responsibility based solely on the investigation or will do so at a hearing, it's necessary to prepare the strongest possible defense and response. Notice is an issue at many schools, so it's critical to clearly define the allegations. In doing so, you would need to provide your version of events and support it through all available means, with relevant evidence, supporting witnesses, and anything else that may be appropriate to the circumstances. For schools that would decide responsibility at a hearing, it's necessary to prepare for the hearing, which in part would include preparing an opening statement, relevant questions for parties and witnesses, a closing statement, and so forth. It's important to bear in mind that schools are not mindful of an accused student's rights and interests, so ensuring a fair process is critical to achieving a favorable outcome. You do not want to find yourself in the position of having to appeal an adverse outcome and sanctions because you failed to take effective steps throughout the process. An experienced attorney advisor will be your best ally to help you understand and navigate the Code of Conduct disciplinary process at your college or university in West Virginia, and they should be involved from as early as possible in the case.